Hello, students. As we were discussing about planning and decision making, and we have covered all these topics. Now we will discuss about EIS business planning, followed by integrated and non-integrated ERP systems, benefits, features, and modules. So first we will discuss about what is EIS. As we have already discussed that what is MIS, so there is a slight difference between EIS and MIS. And EIS is a comprehensive framework that supports business processes, information flows, reporting, and data analytics across an organization. EIS is designed to facilitate the integrated operations of large and complex organizations, including multinational corporations and public sector entities. These systems are crucial for managing extensive volumes of data and ensuring high quality of service throughout the enterprise. EIS typically encompasses technologies that enable organizations to integrate and coordinate their business processes on a robust platform. These integration helps streamline operations, improve efficiency, and enhance the overall decision-making process by providing a unified view of the business. EIS can include various types of software applications such as enterprise resource planning, which is also known as ERP, customer relationship management, the abbreviation is CRM, and supply chain management known as SCM, all working together to support different facets of the business. In today's rapidly evolving business environment, the integration of technology with core business processes is not just beneficial but essential for maintaining competitive advantage and sustainability. An enterprise information system or EIS serves as the backbone of this technological integration, offering a comprehensive suite of tools and systems designed to streamline operations, facilitate management, and enhance organizational decision making across various levels. Enterprise information systems are sophisticated platforms that combine software and hardware to support and manage company-wide IT needs. These systems encompass functionalities across critical business processes, including but not limited to supply chain management, inventory, accounting, human resources, customer relationship management, and more. By consolidating these functions into a single cohesive system, EIS enables organization to achieve greater efficiency, improved data accuracy, and enhanced visibility into operations. The planning and implementation of such systems, known as EIS business planning, as a strategic process that aligns an organization's IT infrastructure with its business objectives. Effective EIS business planning involves detailed assessment of the organization's current and future needs, selection of appropriate technologies, and meticulous planning of the deployment and ongoing management of these systems. This strategic planning is pivotal not only for the successful integration of the EIS but also for ensuring that it continues to support the organization's goals as they evolve over time. The objective of EIS business planning is twofold: to, to maximize the return on investment in technology and to create a flexible, responsive IT environment that can adapt to changing business needs. This planning is not a one-time effort but a continuous process that require updating and refinement as business strategies and technologies develop. In summary, EIS business planning is crucial for organization looking to leverage technology for optimal performance and strategic growth. It ensures that the implemented systems are effectively supporting core business processes while providing the scalability and flexibility needed to respond to future challenges and opportunities. So let's understand what is Enterprise Information System business planning. Enterprise Information System EIS business planning involves the strategic alignment of business processes. EIS business planning involves the strategic alignment of business processes and IT systems to enhance organizational performance and efficiency. The scope of EIS business planning is comprehensive, encompassing the evaluation, selection, implementation, and management to management of integrated software solutions that support and automate core business functions. EIS business planning is not merely about choosing and installing software. It extends to redefining business processes and ensuring that the IT infrastructure fully supported the organization's strategic goals and operational needs. It involves a detailed analysis of how different departments interact, how information flows throughout the organization, and how this flow can be optimized to improve decision making, reduce cost, and increase efficiency. The planning process includes several key areas, and one more thing, these 5 points also known as the component of EIS business planning. The planning process includes several key areas, and one more thing, these 5 points also known as the component of EIS business planning. So first is strategic assessment. Strategic assessment within the context of enterprise information system business planning is a critical initial phase where an organization evaluates its current capabilities, business processes, and overall strategic goals to determine how an EIS can best support its long-term objectives. This process is fundamental because it ensures that pay any investment in technology is directly aligned with the business's core functions and future directions, preventing misaligned resources and maximizing the return on investment. Key components of strategic assessments are: the assessment begins with a clear understanding of what the organization aims to achieve in the short term and long term. This involves discussions with stakeholders across various levels, including top management, department heads, and end users, to gather a comprehensive perspective on the organization's strategic direction. Goals could range from increasing market share, enhancing customer satisfaction, reducing operational cost, to expanding into new markets. If we talk about evaluating current IT infrastructure, so a thorough review of the existing IT landscape is conducted to identify the capabilities of the current systems and their effectiveness in supporting the organization's processes. This includes hardware, software, network infrastructure, and data management practices. It is crucial to identify any gaps, redundancies, or outdated technologies that could hinder business processes or pose risks to data security. Next point is business process analysis. This involves mapping out all key business processes to understand workflow, information flow, and interaction between different departments. The aim is to pinpoint inefficiencies, bottlenecks, or areas where automation could bring significant improvements. The process analysis helps in identifying critical areas that need immediate attention and those that are crucial for achieving strategic business outcomes. Next point is assessment of organizational change capacity. Understanding the organization's readiness for change is vital. This includes evaluating the culture, adaptability, and the skills of the workforce to embrace new technologies. This component also considers the potential resistance to change and plans for managing such challenges through effective communication, training, and support system. Next is regulatory compliance and risk management. Any EIS solution must comply with industry standards and regulations. This strategic assessment must review regulatory requirements that affect how data is handled, stored, and protected. Identifying potential risks, including cyber threats and data breaches, and assessing the organization's preparedness to handle these risks is also a critical part of the strategic assessment. If we talk about technology trends and innovation and outcome of strategic assessment, so keeping abreast of emerging technologies and industry trends can provide insights that influence the strategic assessment. Technologies such as cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and big data analytics could offer new opportunities for enhancing business processes and decision making. It's important to consider how these trends can be integrated into the EIS strategy to maintain a competitive edge. Next point is outcome of strategic assessment. So the outcome of this assessment is a detailed report that outlines the current state of the organization's IT and business processes, identifies gaps and opportunities for improvement, and aligns proposed EIS solutions with the organization's strategic objectives. This report serves as a foundational document that informs all subsequent phases of the EIS business planning processes, ensuring that every decision made is strategically aligned and geared towards fulfilling the organization's long term goals. So, the strategic assessment is a crucial step in EIS business planning that sets the stage for a successful EIS implementation. By thoroughly understanding the organization's strategic needs and current capabilities, businesses can make informed decisions about which EIS solutions are best suited to drive growth and efficiency. Our next point is system selection. This is the next component. System selection is a critical phase in the EIS business planning process where organizations choose the most appropriate EIS solution that aligns with their strategic assessment outcomes. This step involves evaluating various software options to find one that not only fits the organization's current needs but also supports future growth and adoption. So, the key steps in system selection are: define system requirements. Based on strategic assessment, compile a detailed list of requirements that EIS must meet. This list should include technical specification, functional capabilities, scalability, user friendliness, and integration capabilities with existing systems. Requirements should be categorized into must have and nice to have, prioritizing features that the critical for the organization's operation and strategic goal. Next point is market research. Conduct thorough research to identify available EIS solutions that potentially meet the defined requirements. This research should include vendor websites, industry reports, and review to gather a comprehensive view of the options available. It's also beneficial to review case studies or testimonials from similar organizations that have implemented EIS solutions to understand their experiences and outcomes. Next point is request for information. So prepare and send out RFIs, which is also known as request for information, to shortlisted vendors to gather more detailed information about their products. RFIs should request information on pricing, support service, product capability, and compliance with industry standards. The responses to RFIs help in further narrowing down the list of potential vendors by providing a clearer picture of what each solution offers. Next point is a request for proposal, also known as RFP. For vendors that pass the initial screening, issue a request for proposal. The RFP should include detailed scenarios and requirements that vendors need to address, demonstrating how their system would handle specific business processes and requirements. Proposals received will provide detailed insights into the vendor's approach to implementation, training, and ongoing support, as well as pricing structures. Next point is vendor demonstrations and trials. Invite top vendors to demonstrate their systems. These sessions allow stakeholders to see the EIS in action and assess its usability and functionality. Where possible, engage in a trial period where the EIS can be tested in a real world environment. Trials help in evaluating the software's performance and compatibility with existing workflows. Next point, we have evaluation and scoring. So develop a scoring system based on the initial requirements to evaluate each other vendors, proposals, and demonstration. Include feedback from all stakeholders to ensure a balanced decision making process. Consider both qualitative aspects like vendor reputation and user experience, and quantitative measures like cost and ROI estimates. Next is reference checks and final selection. So, before making the final decision, conduct reference checks with other organizations that have implemented the EIS solution being considered. These checks can reveal insights into the vendor's reliability, support quality, and the system's performance post implementation. Select the vendor whose solution best matches the organization's need, budget, and future growth plan. The outcome of this system selection phase is a carefully chosen EIS that aligns with the organization's strategic needs, enhances its operational efficiencies, and provides scalability for future expansion. This decision is crucial as it impacts not only the immediate operational capabilities of the organization but also its long term strategic execution. System selection is a meticulous process that requires detailed planning, thorough research, and careful evaluation. By effectively executing this phase, organization can ensure that they invest in an EIS that will support their current and future business strategies, ultimately leading to improved efficiency and sustained growth. Our next point is customization and integration. So, customization and integration are pivotal aspects of deploying an enterprise information system that aligns with an organization's specific needs and existing IT infrastructure. Customization involves modifying the EIS to better fit the unique processes and requirements of the organization, while integration focuses on ensuring the EIS works seamlessly with other existing systems and technologies within the organization. So, customization of EIS is a critical step in the implementation process because it tailors the system to the specific operational needs of the organization. Here are some key considerations. First is identifying customization needs. Based on the detailed requirements gathered during the system selection phase, identify which aspect of the EIS need customization to support unique business processes or to enhance user experience. Prioritize customizations that deliver significant business value, such as improved process, efficiency, or better data insights. Next point is designing custom solutions. Work with EIS vendors or consultants to design solutions that address the identified needs. This might involve modifying existing functionalities or developing new features. Ensure that customizations do not compromise systems stability and can be maintained over time, especially during system upgrades. Implement the customizations in a controlled environment. Conduct a research testing to ensure that the modification work as intended without disrupting existing processes. Engage end users during this testing phase to gather feedback and ensure the changes meet their needs and improve usability. If we talk about integration of EIS, so integration ensures that the new EIS communicates effectively with other systems within the organization, such as CRM, SCM, or legacy systems, facilitating a unified flow of information across platforms. Map out all existing systems and determine how they will connect with the EIS. Identify key data interchange points and ensure compatibility. Choose appropriate integration tools and technologies. Modern EIS solutions often support various integration methods like APIs, middleware, or direct database connections. Develop or configure integration solutions using the selected tools. This might involve setting up data synchronization, creating shared databases, or establishing real time data feeds. Regularly update integration protocols to accommodate changes in connected systems or business processes. Quality assurance and optimization. So, continuously monitor the integrations for issues such as data discrepancies or performance bottlenecks. Optimize integration mechanism to improve data flow efficiency and reduce latency, ensuring that the system remains responsive and reliable. Here are some challenges and best practices. First is maintaining system integrity. Second, future proofing. Third, security consideration. So, customization and integration should not compromise the core functionality of the EIS. It's crucial to maintain a balance between tailored solutions and maintainability of the system. Ensure that customizations and integration do not hinder future upgrades or scalability. Work closely with vendors to understand the implication of customizations on system updates. Integration often involves exposing certain data and functionalities across systems, implement robust security measures to protect data integrity and prevent unauthorized access. So, customization and integration are essential for maximizing the benefits of an EIS. They ensure that the system not only fits the unique operational needs of the organization but also works cohesively with other business applications, enhancing overall efficiency and data coherence. By carefully planning and executing these steps, organizations can leverage their EIS its full potential, supporting comprehensive business processes and strategic business making. Fourth point is implementation planning. Implementation planning is a crucial phase. Fourth point is implementation planning. Implementation planning is a crucial phase in the deployment of an enterprise information system. It involves outlining the steps, resources, and strategic necessary to successfully integrate the EIS into the operations of organization. This phase acts as a blueprint, guiding the project from initiation through the completion and ensuring that all objectives are met efficiently and effectively. The importance of implementation planning is essential because it directly influences the success of the EIS deployment. A well crafted implementation plan ensures that the system is not only installed but also fully functional and aligned with the organization's strategic goal. It helps in managing risk, allocating resources appropriately, and setting realistic timelines, which collectively contribute to a smoother transition and better adoption of the system across the organization. Here are some key elements of implementation planning. First is project scope and objectives. So clearly define what the EIS implementation aims to achieve. This includes detailing the specific processes that the system will enhance and the expected outcomes in terms of efficiency, cost saving, or improved data management. Establish clear boundaries for the project to prevent scope creep, which can lead to delays and budget overruns. Second point is detailed timeline. So develop a comprehensive timeline that outlines all major milestones and deadlines. This should include phases such as system customization, integration, testing, and go live. Ensure that the timeline is realistic and provides enough buffer for unexpected delays or issues. Next element is resource allocation. Identify all resources required for the project, including HR, technology, and financial investments. Assign roles and responsibilities to team members, ensuring that each task is covered by a suitable individual or group. Plan for training and support needs to help staff adapt to the new systems. Next key element is risk management. So, conduct a risk assessment to identify potential challenges that could impact the project. Common risks include technical issues, resistance to change from employees, and data migration problems. Develop mitigation strategies for each identified risk. This could involve contingency planning, additional training, or investing in higher quality data migration tools. Stakeholders' engagement and communication. Keep all stakeholders informed throughout the project. Regular updates and meetings can help manage expectations and gather essential feedback. Develop a communication plan that addresses the needs of different stakeholders groups, including management and users and IT staff. Testing and quality assurance. Plan for extensive testing of the EIS to ensure it meets all functional requirements and is free from significant bugs. Include different types of testing such as unit testing, system integration testing, and user acceptance testing to cover all aspects of the system's functionality. Next key element is go live strategy. So develop a detailed plan for the go live phase, which is when the EIS becomes fully operational. This should include final data migration, system configurations, and the transition of business processes to the new systems. Plan for post go live support to address any immediate issues that user encounter. So implementation planning is a foundational step in the successful deployment of an enterprise information system. It transforms strategic objective into actionable steps, ensuring that the EIS is effectively integrated into the organization's workflows and delivers the intended benefits. By meticulously planning each aspect of the implementation, organization can minimize disruptions, optimize system performance, and achieve a higher return on their investment in technology. So, our last component of EIS business planning is performance monitoring and evaluation. Performance monitoring and evaluation is also known as M&E, are critical components of managing and optimizing an enterprise information systems. These processes ensure that the EIS not only meets initial performance expectations but also continues to align with the organization's evolving needs and objectives. Effective M&E helps in making informed, evidence based decisions that can significantly enhance the operational efficiency and strategic output of the organization. Here are some importance of performance monitoring and evaluation. So M&E serves multiple purpose in the context of an EIS. It provides a structured approach to assessing the system's effectiveness and efficiency, helps in identifying areas for improvement, and ensures accountability and transparency in how the system is managed and utilized. Moreover, it supports strategic decision making by providing key stakeholders with timely and relevant information about system performance and its impact on business operations. Key processes in performance monitoring and evaluation consist setting performance matrices. So define clear and measurable performance indicators that aligns with the business objectives the EIS is supposed to support. These key performance indicators should cover various aspects of system performance, including system uptime, user satisfaction, process automation rates, and data accuracy. KPIs should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound, which is known as SMART, SMART, right? And ensuring they provide meaningful insights into system performance. Next process is regular data collection. So implement mechanism for continuous data collection on system performance. This involves setting up automated tools to gather data on predefined KPIs, ensuring consistent and objective measurement of system effectiveness. Regular input and output data gathering, as mentioned in the sources, is crucial for maintaining an up to date understanding of the system's performance. Next key process is analyzing and reporting. Regularly analyze the collected data to assess the performance of the EIS against these set goals. Use statistical tools and software to process and visualize data, making it easier to identify trends, patterns, and area of concern. Prepare detailed reports that summarize findings, provide insights into system performance, and recommend actions. These reports should be tailored to the needs of different stakeholders to ensure they are actionable and relevant. Conduct periodic evaluation to assess the impact of the EIS on business processes and overall organizational performance. This might include thematic surveys, impact evaluation, and efficiency analysis to understand the broader effects of the system on the organization. Evaluation should consider both the intended and unintended consequences of the EIS, providing a comprehensive view of its effectiveness. Next point is feedback and improvement cycle. So, establish a feedback loop where insights from performance monitoring and evaluation inform decisions on system improvements, upgrades, or changes. This ensures that the EIS remains aligned with business needs and continues to deliver optimal performance. Engage users and stakeholders in the feedback process to ensure that the system meets their needs and any issues are promptly addressed. Here are some challenges and best practices. First is maintaining independence and objectivity, which means the credibility of M&E processes can be significantly enhanced by ensuring that evaluations are conducted by parties who have the necessary independence and expertise to provide objective assessments. Next challenge is integrating advanced analytics. Leverage advanced analytics and machine learning techniques to deepen the analysis of performance data, providing more nuanced insights that can drive strategic improvements. Use the insights gained from M&E to continuously refine and improve the EIS. This involves not just fixing problems but also proactively upgrading and optimizing the system to meet future challenges. So, the conclusion is performance monitoring and evaluation are indispensable for maximizing the value of an enterprise information system by systematically tracking performance and assessing the impact of the EIS. Organizations can ensure that their significant investment in these systems deliver tangible benefits and supports their strategic objectives effectively. Our next topic is objectives of EIS business planning. First objective is enhancing decision making. Second, increasing operational efficiency. Next, improving data quality and accessibility, followed by supporting scalability and flexibility. And last is ensuring compliance and security. So we will discuss one by one. First objective is enhancing decision making. By providing comprehensive, accurate, and timely information to managers and executives, an EIS can significantly improve the quality of decisions made across all levels of the organization. Second is increasing operational efficiency. So, EIS streamlines business processes by automating routine tasks and improving the coordination between different departments. This leads to faster response times, reduced operational cost, and enhanced productivity. Next is improving data quality and accessibility. EIS consolidates data from various sources into a single cohesive system, improving data accuracy and making it easier for users to access the information they need when they need it. Next is supporting scalability and flexibility. As businesses grow and evolve, their IT systems must be able to adapt. EIS business planning focuses on selecting systems that are scalable and can be easily modified to address changing business requirements. And last objective is ensuring compliance and security. With increasing regulatory requirements, EIS helps ensure that the organization complies with relevant laws and regulations. Additionally, it enhances data security by implementing robust access controls and data protection measures. So, in conclusion, EIS business planning is crucial activity that supports the strategic use of technology in business operations. It involves a detailed and structured process of aligning IT systems with business goals, which is essential for enhancing operational efficiency, improving decision making, and ensuring the scalability and security of business operations. Next, we have challenges of EIS business planning. Implementing an enterprise information system involves complex processes that can present several challenges. These challenges can impact the success of the EIS if not properly managed. Here are some of the key challenges involved in EIS business planning. First is complexity of integration. Integrating an EIS with existing systems can be highly complex. Organizations often use a variety of legacy systems and softwares that must be integrated with the new EIS, ensuring seamless data flow between these systems, maintaining data integrity, and avoiding disruptions to ongoing operations are significant challenges. The integration must be meticulously planned and executed to prevent data silos and ensure that all systems communicate effectively. Next challenge is resistance to change. Change resistance is a common issue in many organizations, especially when implementing systems that significantly alter daily workflows. Employees may be accustomed to the old ways of doing things and view new systems with skepticism or fear of obsolescence. Managing this resistance involves effective change management strategies, including communication, education, and involving users early in the implementation process to ensure buy in and smooth transition. Next challenge is data quality and management. The success of an EIS heavily relies on the quality of data being processed. Poor data quality, including inaccuracies, incomplete data, and redundancy, can lead to flawed insight and business decisions. Ensuring high quality data involves establishing robust data management practices, regular audits, and cleansing routines to maintain the integrity and reliability of data. Next challenge is scalability and flexibility. As organizations grow, their systems need to scale accordingly, and EIS must be flexible enough to accommodate growth and changes in business processes without requiring complete overhauls. This scalability challenge involves selecting and designing systems that can expand in terms of user count, geographic spread, and functional capabilities without significant additional investments. Next challenge is cost overruns and budget management. EIS implementations can be expensive often involving hidden costs related to customization, integration, training, and maintenance. Budget overruns are a common challenge, particularly if the project scope is not clearly defined or if unforeseen complexities arise during implementation. Effective budget management and ongoing cost monitoring are crucial to keep the project within financial constraints. Next challenge is technical challenges. The technical demands of setting up an EIS, from hardware specification and software configuration to user access controls and security measures, can be daunting. Technical issues, if not resolved promptly, can delay the entire implementation process and increase costs. Organizations must have skilled IT personnel and possibly external consultants to address these challenges effectively. Next challenge is regulatory compliances, ensuring that the EIS complies with relevant laws and regulations such as data protection regulation, for example, GDPR, industry specific standards, and international business laws, is crucial. Non compliance can result in legal penalties and damage to the organization's reputation. This requires a thorough understanding of applicable regulations and embedding compliance into the system design and workflows. Next challenge is maintaining system integrity during customization. While customization can make an EIS more useful to an organization, excessive customization can complicate system upgrades and maintenance. Balancing the benefits of customization with the need to maintain system integrity and ease of future updates is a delicate task that requires careful planning and expertise. So, addressing these challenges requires a strategic approach, careful planning, and ongoing management throughout the EIS lifecycle. By anticipating these issues and preparing adequate responses, organizations can enhance the success rate of their EIS implementations and ensure that the system delivers the intended benefits over the long term. That's all for the lecture. I hope you all have understood.